Hey everybody, so we are doing Thanksgiving egg rolls. I just needed to get some water. So we have mashed potatoes, this is all leftover, stuffing, a little bit of the cranberry sauce, and then when I run out of this, when we cook them, you can use cranberry sauce as a dipping sauce or make some turkey gravy. And I have my carcass over there in a pot cooking. And then here's some of our turkey. And you're going to turn your egg rolls diagonally. We're going to add some mashed potato. And then any of the stuffing that's left, because I have a container in the refrigerator too. I made my husband cornbread dressing, and then I stuffed the turkey with bread dressing. So we like different dressings. And you could fill them all with some cranberry sauce if you want to. I just don't want to open another jar until we eat it. And add your turkey. And you can add it in any order you want. Don't want to overfill them. So you take your water in your fingers and go across the edges. One of my dogs is out there barking. I'm sorry. See why I do videos at night? So roll it over. Pull the edges in. It's the same as any egg roll or burrito you would do. And there you have it. That water seals it up. You can spray these and then cook them in the air fryer, or you can cook them in oil like you would a regular egg roll. So I'm just gonna keep making these. I would tell him to hush, but he can't hear me, so it's kind of pointless. I think that's Buddy anyways. He's the old one. He's the last of the original pack. My husband says he's deaf. I think he just has selective hearing. Typical male. And again, just roll it up, tuck it up, bada bing, bada boom. And just keep doing that until you have as many as you want, or have used up all of your leftovers. And these are really good dipped in gravy. Or you can heat up some of your cranberry sauce and use that as a dipping sauce. Some people put it in, some people don't. I had a little bit left, so what the heck. put these on a tray or something. Put them in the freezer until they're frozen. And then pop them in a baggie. And you're good to go. Got Thanksgiving in an egg roll anytime you have a hankering for some holiday comfort food. It's just a good way to use your leftovers. And we did this for dinner the night after Thanksgiving, but we used tortilla and sprayed it with oil and put it in the air fryer, and that was really good. Crispy, like a Thanksgiving chimichanga. So I'm going to keep rolling these. And here they are. That's what they'll look like. Put them in the freezer on a tray. When they're frozen, bag them up. Seal a meal, whatever you want to do. And you'll have them throughout the year if you want to have some Thanksgiving snacks. So if you have any questions, let me know down below. I hope you all are doing well, and stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.